Welcome to Tape 3 TV. This is our first and more special here at Papa Fields Stadium. It's the season opener. Highlanders Football Club are taking on Bulawayo Chiefs Football Club. My brothers, keep on.
Sure, keep on, put one.
I will give Nanisbody way there. Yes, Kurmana, Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs, plus the quiz of $5.
Imali asilapressure light navele siyangena singabalande bebhoswa but yabona manje lokho ngafana abantwana wethu siyakukatha futhi asivele akuzwa
ubachanga
ukuthi bengahlotha bona board but at least 3-1
all right, thank you my friend.
Ibizo nguthandrai this one do for those yes umkhatho wakhe wathaba
Tape 3 TV
i-Tape 3 wena ngingathesi kathesi laba ngikhona
go and subscribe on YouTube.
Yes I am man yes
nice one my brother.
Yes yeah sure.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV. Ubona njani game namhlanje Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs?
First game of the season, it's fine. We want to see the team. Ukuthi yena Pejani, what is he promising us? So for today, he gets to show us.
So lo mbuzo odoke ngibuza abanye lapha. Ukhwezwa kwebhora khona $5.
No, it's fine with what we don't want to say here, but it is what it is. It is happening. So umjovo ukhwelile yonke into uyakhwela. It's not our fault.
Yeah.
So it's up to us. Yeah, it's fine.
Prediction?
Highlanders to Bulawayo Chiefs 0.
Highlanders 2 Bulawayo Chiefs 0 njalo. Kuba nafashe.
Ababuta samwisi.
Amna skip on.
Ngishaya skip on.
Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs.
Yes, correct. Namandebele khona.
Uyibona njani game namhlanje prediction?
Prediction yakwathi namhla sayona 2-1.
Barothayo.
Kuyahlohla umfana umongameli noma hachi assist futhi Nigeria. Hachi assist umongameli Kobora in Nigeria Kobora.
Thank you so much my brother. Nice one. Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs. Uyibona njani game namhlanje?
Hayi namhla siyidebhe yokubulawayo kumele sichume sikhuzane sihambeni kahle edliwe ewinile iwinile sihambeni kuhle ezindlini singayi improvise ukuthi thina iBF yethu siyibulale hayi
What is the prediction yakho?
Prediction 2-1
Barothayo.
Ohlohlayo captain
Captain.
Captain angabi kwazi kathesi ukuthi njoba kuDynamo sasilolokhuzeni kathesi asikwazi sizaba lokho.
Nice one, Mara tell you prediction first. My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV. So enough kid.
Asiyekeli futhi.
Alright, Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs.
Zemazweni karesi sizobukela ibhora elimnandi. Iteam iyaziwinela 2-1. The worst goal scoring in F1 namhlanje is 1-1. But he win 2-1.
Nice one. My brother. Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Thank you.
Limnandi. Nandi chomla mnandi. Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs. First game of the season. Ngicela ama prediction kuphela.
Mina ngithi Bhoso 3-0.
3-0 Barothayo.
Awathi ngibani ohlohlani so ngitsho but 3-0.
Uvumelana my brother?
Mina think it's 2-1 tuna tough tape le
Itape liyafika.
sasa siyiwinile
2-1.
Asahlohla maninja
Asane after Bora Sport my brother. Skipper.
Akula kwamani.
Go game mnandi. Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs. Uyibona njani?
2-0.
Highlanders 2 Bulawayo Chiefs.
Yeah, win 2-0 vele.
Nice one my brother. Sharp. Sharp my brother. Limpa.
Offer.
Zithi put yourself.
Mnandi.
First game of the season. Bulawayo derby. Fata kubuzwa.
Kubuzwa lokho
3-0. Barothayo.
KumNigeria ukuqala oka. Hayi abanye sisabona.
Nice one my brother. Sharp.
Kibani asherashi.
Sweet my brother. First game of the season.
Hayi mnandi kakhulu nje ngalokho sokwenziwe eDynamos. Chicken iBulawayo Chiefs edlela khona nkonke sokwenziwe eDynamos.
Uthi Timbari winning. The prediction yakho fast.
I4-0. I4-0.
Welcome ladies to Tape 3 TV. Highlanders won Bulawayo Chiefs. What do you want to game?
I'm Navuka Mamanga. The game was fantastic and enjoyable. Even though the boys, they were working so hard, But lapana kuma substitute basibhayisisile at the last minute. But the game was wonderful and successful. I say thank you to Highlanders and ukuda mahashi noma ngene last minute. And thank you very much. But iplayer lamalikulu Prince. Ngima no Prince. Kodwa sesicela umbheka abuye back.
Ubone njani Mesizwa?
Hayi ngibone kuhle sibili Islander badlalile even kade disappointed sibonga ukuda mahashi. Kodwa mahashi ngiyosenze saba
Laba nendawo zakhe.
kodwa sicela umbeba abuye back. Mbeba
Likhala Umbeba.
Esikhala ngombheka, umbheka for life.
Islanders, stay tuned, stay connected.
Watch out for next episode. And lesicela Umwaru siyabonga for spicing up the team. Siyabonga, thank you very much. But umbheka for life.
Sharp. So my brother, welcome to Tape 3 Liberty.
Sengani resting. But you know what? But team besingelayo, I was worried about one thing. We no longer have a kid team. But today we played out of something that we never had. I want to thank Marwar, Mkokeli, Yabo Samanjo, Yabo. Just get that team. They built something from nothing, you know. It resulted in a spectacle from this throw, you know. Chasing about Kaya, if I'm a family feud, there's that result that you can expect. But what you expect from more when we are going far away, come on, guys, come on, Manika, we expect wins.
But my brother, ubone njani game?
I came in George, but Coach Abana, I'm a substitute. Abenze masinyane maybe for 70 minutes labana wabizoma actually supposed to strike 90 minutes abese strike ingongongo eNigeria belile odwa ecebe bemkhulela futhi bemaka bekuthuthele abwenza ama substitute ke masinyane and then left big ngapha Tamba no big la confidence try the players when a situation ngayingafi change up ungasikike njani eyi1 engasebenzi otherwise bayazimbona but angathi Dynamo zakhe ebese buya la akambe wachana.
My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Right, put on.
Ushap.
Mina engikutshoyo ade kuyifirst game ubenje ngeke ngisole kakhulu anje lo start ama players akanje akulo even ufike mina ngeke ngisole that's the first game kunzima ukuthi umuntu oluzumstart first game uyamsola la iblood singiyakubulawayo la asena ama points that's good.
My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Mina into engayitsho kuphela ucoach uDalila simnikele i-second chance. Into esingayibona kaThesan ukuthi iDimbare sesiyishayile. Akulo kunye kuphela singakukhuluma. iDimbare isishayile. Ukhona siyabona.
Vetis, so you see my brother.
Pura siyamizikipani. Sharp pura yami.
Islanders 1, Bulawayo Chiefs 1.
Uyakwazi ukuthi mfuna utshela into eyi-1 pura siyami. I-problem uMarwari uyaphuza ukusabhula. Uyabona uPiki uyadlisa. Uyabona u-American uyadlisa. Kodwa uqeda lapho ubusuwayekela. Phela vele ngikutshela mfuna utshela into eyi-1. Uma hathi kazange alithinte ibhora. Awukhama ukuthi khona uyabona ukuthi ama-players la ayadlisa uqeda lapho uyesabhula nge-last 10 minutes. Ikuyini khona lokho? Last 10 minutes, yes of course, sifuna iwin bafowethu. You understand? But sicela ukuthi nxa lisabhula bebona ukuthi khona maybe 30 minutes layo umuntu ekwanisa ukuthi alikwanisa ibhora, akwanisa ukuthi i-combination ayibone ukuthi ihamba njani. Ayikhona ukuthi khona uyesabhula nge-10 minutes eqeda lapho engalithinta umahashi kuze kuyephela i-10 minutes yona leyo. Hayi khona khipha masinyane ukwenzela ukuthi khona nathi sikwanisa ukuthi silikholise ibhora. Hayi, that was a mistake.
Mara Mtara uvumelana na Vetis.
uVetis ngivumelana naye kodwa yabona thina ama-supporters we got only one problem. We don't have ukuthi kuthiwa tough luck umuntu nxa yenza i-mistake and then i-Islander angulmanga. Guys, we are building up. Our team, Lalela, we are building up. This team will take us far. These boys, they need motivation to us as supporters. We are not.
Otherwise, they are helping it through.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm very happy you get through there. Yeah, we lose. we lost ama-chances and
Mara
first half, quarter party, I'm happy about this draw.
Mara Yuzo Mood. My brother, what's up?
Shabutas. It was a fair result. 1-1 is a fair result. My players are adapted to maybe philosophy coach, but we saw positives. Basic football, Velesias is still there. But my players they do our mistakes, but as our fans, many of us our players sing at yes solo because umuntu our best games now asazi thina ukuthi build up yawo pre-season ihambe njani. Ube ama mistakes athe khona kule feedback wethu lamanye ama players, but umuntu asibasukumiseni into edlala ibhora ayikona ukuthi sike sibasole first game ubenje yakhanya kule nto ayibumbana labana need to give them motivation support obana ba they are going too far. There are no ama negatives amaningi
My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Sharp
Highlanders one brother Chiefs one. Ubona njani game?
game le ngibonile but siyabonga ukuthi basasithela ipass but into esifunayo ama-players asithenganga lutho asilama-players asiyabhiyuthi lutho spikiri itas awunanto abayenzayo asilama-player i-team right siyayithanda next week isiye-Harare asilama-player then sibuye sikhala futhi coach singamsola but ngadlala yena.
Mara Yuzo Pujas. Pujas, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Siyabonga Pujas.
Highlanders one brother Chiefs one.
I'm not happy. Ugcina njani upike dlisa kangaka umthathazo up to second half ungucoach ulokhu ugcina upike dlisa kangaka um-America dlisa kangaka asilama player madoda kanti ubenje umahashi umzondelane faka umahashi simbone phela every time match imnikeni simbone because laba bafana abadlala sibazi from last year basidlisa from previous seasons till now. We need change. Can we have players use that money lingayisebenzelanga to buy new players?
Nice one, my brother.
Players.
Nice one, my brother. Mara Yuzo Pujas.
Okay.
My brother, what's up? Welcome to Tape 3 TV, my brother.
Thank you, brother.
Highlanders one brother Chiefs one.
Yes, we drew 1-1, but I need to talk, and I don't think go to ends of Kulumaloko's at Jabrisabaning. But what I'm saying is, in the Islanders lay Ipesu, right? Islanders Namusha, Ikalisili Kemian, Ikit as unveiling a slide. They have to make money out of it, but as like kit Namsa. Ukuthi ama supporters ebekwazi ukuthi ama kits sithenga ngaphi siyenga and namuhla we were told only yesterday ukuthi Provina iphuma nini, of which come on guys ama team come and Black Chiefs have been showing us ama team yes ukuthi ano the first 30 days layo nam Islanders ayinayo ke kono. And come on guys, right? Islanders administration yengisola it was paid for Islanders. We cannot be playing like this because of Kangelama players utadlala njani.
My brother, what's up? Welcome to Tape 3 TV, my brother.
Welcome. I'm very much worried when it comes to Islanders. Guys, there was just absolutely nothing. So guys, Supreme, let's be serious. Supreme coach, our coaching am so but let's be serious. And guys like Supreme Imali, we don't have players. People is directionless. I wouldn't let the Zidana about Macabelana, Macabelana. I don't know anything, I don't know anything. You like it, that was a lucky call, my brother.
That's all, my brother. My name is Pujas. My brother, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Can you give us some time?
kukhona esingakuthwalayo okubuye lo munye. Ibhora libhora. Sasa sodliwa, sasowina, sothrowa. Ibhora libhora.
Nice one, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Mara yetu Butchers. Butchers yabo chabo.
Mina
Fogamoyo, welcome to Tape 3 TV.
no problem. Right. Ucoach engabhayisi. Right. Ufayira ubengakwani kusizini. Iyasizini. Right? Of course, first half ubedlala umsusu. And I'm sorry. Ubedlala irabisha. Second half angwathi message ayikhulumileyo ucoach kufayira. It really worked. Right. Siyadliwa. What do you wait kuze sefika ku-80 minutes singajintshanga ama-substitution thina simele sibe le-5 ama-substitution right you should remove abantu abangekhoyo right so ibhetshi sidliwa 1-0 sinamasapu angama-strike so uzinjuka faka 1 or 2 3 amasapu ka-1 ubhenjani kamelanga eyethuke i-beef yena alabantu kuthiwa kuyinto lama-assistant angu-2 ama-assistant ngasebenzise alande oyi-1 afike athi mkhokheli ngenze njani ahambe usamandlu afike ethi ngenze njani amnike yakhe i-opinion
But otherwise, overall, happy.
mina so far i-right is far hayi emuva mnandi makhekhe
Mara yetu Butchers. Mara yetu Butchers. Dare mele Butchers. Mara kweli kwa bokora itaona please. My brother Shap.
Ana ngishapu khamba lapho.
Mna welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah, ibhora namhlanje mnandi antsho. Into esingayijabulela laphana uBenjani laphana kazama ukutshintsha. Kathi uma ngathi umncitsheleni i-time ke i-time. Umncitsheleni i-time. Upiki lwana vela domela mkhiphe. Nye first half lapha. First half lapha achaye khona iblanda. Bekumele athi amkhiphe. Angafaki i-stars asihlalise ebhentsini. Uma ngathi lapha adedingakala. Lo mfana lo 21 uRahusha. Otherwise ngabe umfake ku-first half uRahusha. Ngabe siwinile thina ibhosi. Sinqaba siyabonga kodwa igame igame nje hayi bese sichayiwe thina vele. Bese sichayiwe ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Right, my brother Shap.
Simtala.
Welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Sonke mtala.
What is your name? My name is One Buddha.
Ikemshaka asolutho. Yimi nolubambo lochisa. Kodwa Baran. Asolutho labana ezana zawutazana. Thina ibhosi madla ishaka nge-allergy. Ngiyareyetha. Allergy ngijane ndazana.
Created.
Ingahlohla ibhosi. Arela disa. Baran asolutho. Letho zawutaza ukembe sawudele ndazana.
Oriented arrange.
Ethi ngahlohla ngiyareyetha. Nawa njani bari.
Shapa
Letho lubambo. Uchisa. Umelusi.
Shapa
Ngene wabona.
My brother Shap. Welcome to Tape 3 TV. I read as One Buddha Chiefs one.
Yes, I tape very super. Siyawazi but uMaruwari uphuza ukuthi game uyaphuza ukusubstitute ngabe uyaphangisa ukusubstitute engachaba ama-players lokhu egijima 10 minutes bephandle i-10 minutes lezana it was dangerous i-Manchester United yahlohla sokusele 1 minute ukuthi ibhola amakhona lana angu-3 esiwatholileyo ekucineni we should utilize those corners but amasapho sefaka umaninja sokusele 1 minute uMahathi sokusele 3 minutes kuthintshana yabo vele ngabe uthe sokusele 40 minutes 30 minutes lapha nowahlala ithi game watshintsha abanye badino abanye abakakwanisi ukudlalela i-leaders nge-crowd lokuze kulabanye ade bisenza ama-blunders i-defense yethu ibifile kumele acorrect kwapha umhlanga ngikwazi bebekhona mba ukuthi i-line-up asayike ibona but kumele benjani acorrect i-mistake ye-defense uDarlington ebedlala A1 lapha ngabe ebekunomunye wakhe emdabla enka ulokhu zene uPavare ebeluza amabhola but uDa ebe-right so esifuna something okune-fluid.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Nice one, my brother. My brother, Uchefo.
Hayi, mina umuntu oqinisa. Ngutshela ukuthi game le yapheli 1-1. Hayi, no. All the records have got them on our files.
Cool.
ngathi if we achieve is 2-1. But what I have seen as a team, and 1-1 is what that's the best for us. But 2-1 is what it's an opportunity which we achieve, and then we are happy with it. So I'm enjoying a team.
Overall,
I'm not happy, but I've seen that coming.
Okay.
Why not? Not why not? It's just but sometimes. Why do I say so much? It's such because we are still trying to build a team. And you are building the team. It team and everything is going well. Faira is still picking from injury, is still scared of everything. But let's give him that chance.
Nice one, man.
As we give him that chance, sing and validate pan. We can, as we do our things, let all the things that come up when we are building a team.
Nice one.
Most 90, not even 95, 75% of each team is what we are trying to build.
Nice one.
So as a team, let's work with our team and teach those boys about the new ones, the old ones, our on the ground. With what, guys, let's face what is happening on the ground.
Nice one, my friend.
Thank you, my guy.
Nice one. Saru.
Put your munjan.
I'm not sharp. Skiban.
I'm Nangisha.
Savereza.
I'm from Tara.
I'm not. I didn't just want to go chiefs. What did you came?
Yeah, it came maybe sharp parts. I think in Ombono, if Chiefs eat tray or not. Because the learning as a penalty. And the any Joe, I think it is a really important. No, I'm a refuser. Slam a refa sharp as about. I will am a refa sharp as about. Because Lana fair as a penalty. Wakela selling up in Piro 8, I know as a penalty. So anyway, correct. Because the Udipula was like anyway, the Chiefs like anyway. It's right. So I just song Gusha. But if fair, no. As soon as I didn't have a marriage. I have made a ref. I mean, they won't let I didn't that's very being here, coach me. Being here. Penalty, and I think you refer to just few blunders. So the penalty, I may possess some over this camp, but I. The Chiefs in our chair, never do the Chiefs, they be cashing about to a man needs a pick with a ping.
Must to be a drop.
Ah, yeah, must to one chain. I would. One chain, what they put in the team and daddy, team and dad. Yes, any team and dad. He's compassion you in your dad. But don't say to say that's compassion you in your dad.
Sasivara, Saru, I'm a Timo too. I didn't the Buddha is going for to one of them.
Now, if it was in a continuous so. That's about the problem. But wait 14, I expect to get big premier. One answer sharp. And the Indians I could just put a fence, blood chiefs. As many in Bob, as many one. Siarok.
Nice one, Machita. Sharp Sutman.
Zibanso.
I'm afraid. Uchefo.
I've been counting coach together and say no. We won't say no besides Sawin. Tina was a coach him then.
I
say no. I know. Yeah, because Lapana, one no Malvin, do Picating a baby say we second half. Baby feel then introduction of Raushi to Prince about Kileo. It was useless. Some child could at the middle of 60 minutes away with a game. Then coach of one is time and so coach Matota. And the tea or Tatalala. I saw coach.
Bujo, I'm nice. I can't remember.
But nonetheless, Umbuzo Mutokona, I mean, coach Africa, but you're talking about Agusapura in first half.
Does if you never take Faga 5?
Because each one. We want to pick Gako, Gako, Malvin Gako, so very active party. Nonetheless, if the result was fair, it was a good game, though. See, when they even a child is going to go $5, you will get it to 10 years. You have granted the part of the money which you paid, but nonetheless, such a wood and Djibouti who put them now, Kevanja and Baby on Chico.
So, Masutu, Sasivara, are you happy in it?
No, I'm not happy because the best medicine we need, like as I'm saying, facing a coach 1 to next game, we must travel to Harare. Service camping $40, maybe $50.
ayisimotivate le team obvious ayisimotivate njengama-supporters khona uba sikhuluma ithi sihamba ama-$50 but i-team ngeke isimotivate le.
I-first game vele injalo. I-first game inama-ups and downs amaningi because labo coach babele confusion ukuthi i-team engangenzela yini, but nonetheless usubona ukuthi ama-players adlale kahle. Tshintsha kade ngikukhanda ukuthi at least try another leagues, but very much bamfake ukuthi edlala ama-90 minutes kuphela because kasakhandi ukuyeza ne-ground ukuthi yalazi ibhora khona ukuform ngakho ukuform ukusaqala. So those seasoned players who can withstand the pressure e-BF ababadlalisi o-Reason kade behlezi ebhenchini, o-Brighton behlezi ebhenchini, omvele angazi besenza njani.
Alright, Mbuze, one question sesivala. Looking at the two teams going forward, ubona njani?
Yes, ngikhayela ama-team angu-2 siya phambili. I-pair ndazi nxa ukuthi this is the first 11 abayi-10 player khona bezakhala abantu vele, khona bezokhala bazolila sibili ngathi ukuthi bazolila kuzona, but i-Chiefs ile-hope, i-Chiefs ile-hope because ibonke after ukutshintsha ama-substitution akhona ibisitshintshile la isingani iyadlala ngcono pitchani ibhora lakhona.
Sutman, ukhayela ama-team oyi-2 going forward.
Yeah, this time i-Chiefs ngiyayibona ngeke relegate, but okuyayile ndazi asingeke sithi i-team sibili ilolu kudlala njengabo-Everton e-England. You can't fight for i-league kunjani. Hayi asikhohlweni nge-league manje ayilenda ayifile.
There you have it, Yazwela babukeli. It has been an exciting debut. First game of the season, Konabe BF Highlanders Football Club 1, Ibulawayo Chiefs 1. Thank you for watching it, Tape 3 TV. Remember to like, subscribe, and engage us in the comment section. Otherwise, see you next time.